Okay, let's take a start. This is IELTS speaking part 1. Do you work or study?
I'm studying.
What do you study?
I'm studying soil science
Okay.
in
So let's start. What kind of entertainment do you prefer, TV or radio?
honestly spe- honestly speaking, I prefer a TV because there are a lot of programs which can entertain us. While radio, we have a limited program, so I don't think so.
Okay.
It's a
How are radio programs and TV programs different?
comparatively TV programs are much more different as compared to radio programs because TV programs, you have a lot of programs which can entertain you, and you can sometimes imagine how things are being done and how to do it. But while on radio, I don't you have to all listen, and you will not get much entertainment.
Okay. What programs do you like to watch or listen to? Or what type of programs do you like to watch or listen to?
Well, there are a variety of programs which I like to watch. Firstly, about traveling, and second about political debates and funny programs.
Okay. When do you usually watch TV?
Mostly on weekends because since I'm a student and I have a lot of work to do uh, about my assignments and all that stuff. To answer your question.
Okay. What is your favorite TV program or favorite TV channel and why?
My favorite TV channel is BBC Travel Show. In that show, they show all around the world, their world's tradition, culture, and how the world is going on. So, to answer your question, BBC Travel program is my
All right. Thank you.